Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to VCHS. We're your hosts, Emily.
And I'm Madison. Let's start out today's lunch. Today we will be enjoying chicken nuggets, mashed potatoes, gravy, green beans, cinnamon applesauce, dinner roll, and a cold milk.
Now let's jump into today's celebrations with these holidays.
And now a rundown of your top 5 news stories.
Hello, I'm Brecken, and here's today's top 5 news stories. New Jersey man, first person to die from meat allergy contracted by a tick bite in the U.S. Cold snap in Florida causes iguanas to fall from trees frozen. Pennsylvania dog shoots owner after owner left shotgun on bed. With government shutdown over the President Trump breaks own record for longest government shutdown in American history. Texas man was accused of calling 911 5 times to ask for a ride to his girlfriend's house.
Next, here is today's word and quote of the day.
Vehement. Showing strong feeling, forceful, passionate, or intense.
Many ideas grow better when transplanted into another mind than the one where they sprang up. Oliver Wendell Holmes.
To start off the week strong, let's clean the mystery behind powerlifting.
Hello, I'm Coach LaCure, and I am the powerlifting coach here at Valley Center High School. We typically do 2 meets in the winter-spring semester. The first meet is the Goddard virtual meet, where we lift in our own weight room and send the results into Goddard, and then we typically do the state meet near the end of February. The state meet's typically in Kansas City or Pittsburgh. We may be looking to add some additional meets this year.
After a healthy workout, let's hear your favorite flavor of milkshake to cool off with.
I'm Zachary Evans, and I like me a chocolate milkshake from Brahms.
I'm Miss Pound, and my favorite type of milkshake would be cookie dough, chocolate chip cookie dough.
My name is Sadie Chirp, and my favorite flavor of milkshake is Oreo.
My name is Dominic Dowling, and my favorite shake is the Grimace Shake.
My name's Ron Wilson, and my favorite milkshake is cookies and cream.
My name is Brandon Kinsinger, and my favorite shake is probably mint chocolate chip shake.
My name is Preston Cook, and my favorite milkshake is a banana split milkshake.
Gavin Sainer, and my favorite milkshake is strawberry.
My favorite milkshake is mint chocolate chip.
For Thanksgiving, we have a full week of athletic events this week.
With another hot day, let's look at today's weather.
And now it's time for a quick blast of the past. We leave you with this day in history.
Stay classy, VC.